What you gonna do is good music and G-Unit. Yeah. Banks.
Ladies and gentlemen, you know they mad cause I'm hood rich. You never ever seen me make a good trick. You want a problem? Start it up. Start it up. Start it up. Wait a minute.
Look, cotton candy shoot, cotton candy coop, hard knock, off in any loop, off the scoop. Play with me, see what the screamy do. My canary shoot, high beams pointed right at you. Peekaboo, Benji pick with me halo blue. All your family dupes, Najee twice, purple haze and goose. Got me loose, kick my way and now I got the juice. Gucci bubble boots, 1,000 kicks, couple hundred boots, getting fucking loot. My top down, I'm flashing on, I'm passing over, pull over and hit the hazards on them. The ratchets on them, pay my dues, now it's back to warring. The raps are warring, dead man, I dip the casket for 'em. I'm back performing, I bag 'em, break their back, don't call 'em. Look down on 'em like the king, baby, Patrick on it. Cash is pouring, still storming, got these bitches up. Camera phones capture everything, the pictures up.
Start it up. Start it up.
That's the weed in the Altoid case. They say good things come to those who wait, so I'ma be at least about an hour late. I'm so fresh, bitch, I should be arrested. New Cody tested with my nuts on your chest, bitch. She said, hey, I said, yes, bitch. Damn, I'm only asking you a question. I'm in the film at the All-Star getting action. I'm cool with no rings than Phil Jackson. Know the beauty is my God invented eyeballs, and the booty is my God invented my balls. I'm a rock star. Start it up. Start it up. Start it up. So popular, you should get a shot of us. Niggas don't take shots of us. That is only obvious. The first album I vomited, the second I colonic it. Ain't nobody fucking with me. I'm plutonic it. Bet I got some slippers on. Bet niggas gon' honor it. These ain't even real clothes, homie. I'm pajama rich. Banks told me, homie, gon' switch the style up. These bitches on me, homie, I'm with two arousers. Told her I ain't paying tonight, I'm only browsing. She pulled up out and said it's free. I said, wow.
Start it up. Start it up. Start it up. Wait a minute. Ninja.